Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to make money through the student coin referral program. The student coin is an cryptocurrency token which is under the ICO. Currently it has been launched as an biggest ICO of 2021, and currently it is live, so you can buy this student coin cryptocurrency through its website. And when you buy through this website, you will also get very minimum price and also get early bird bonus. So for the bonus coin you can bonus code, or if you want to get this early bird bonus, you have to buy through my referral link which is given on my description below. So as you can see, student coin is looks very promising. It will be a central currency, and it will have its own STC exchange, meaning that student coin will have its own exchange, and also it will be listed on some other exchange, popular ones, in the later coming months. And you can also stake student coin and earn dividends. And then it will also power the token terminal. It will be the powered token terminal of its own exchange. And the current phase 57 is live, so you can see the price is 0.0128 is going on, and with every phase the price keeps on increasing by 0.001. So it is very much good to, if you are able to buy it as early as possible. And then you can also get this early bird bonus, which is you will get 5% extra bonus discount when you will get extra 5% student coin bonus. So there are three payment methods using which you can buy STC token: using Coinbase method, using direct Ethereum deposit through MetaMask, and using your debit and credit card. So I would uh, prefer you guys to buy through Coinbase payment method. So it is very simple one, and also it does not take much cost with a very few transaction fee. And here you can see as my user balance is 65,295, and the estimated portfolio value is 835. So among this I had purchased only 5,000 coins, only around 5,250, and the rest, as you can see, the date is 3rd on March. I had purchased using Coinbase method, and the value is 5,250, and the rest coin is I had purchased using, I had earned through the referral program. So almost 800 US dollars is what I have earned through the referral program within a week. So it is one of the most ongoing and very fast growing cryptocurrency, as I can see. And so currently it is 57 phase is live, and this, as you can see, the price is 0.0128, and then the next phase the price will be 0.0129 and then 0.0130. So that's how it keeps on increasing. So it's better to buy as early as possible. So to buy this student coin, you can simply go into the description, and there you can find a link, and using that link you can buy student coin, and then you will also receive 5% extra student coin bonus. So I will also guide you properly on how to buy this student coin via the Coinbase method. So just stick to the video, and see, you can also see these timelines, and we will go through these team members of this core student coin team. So as you can see, there are a few good high profile team members are there, from the university members and college guys. And then there is also one technological advisor from IBM. She is a former IBM employee of Europe region. She used to be the CTO of IBM, which is looks very promising. The team looks pretty good. And here is this refer student coin and earn program. So we can earn Ethereum as well as student coin. So if you choose to earn Ethereum, so you will get only 20% of whatever the your referral buys. And if you choose the student coin STC token, then you will get 30% of tokens whatever your referral has bought. As you can see, I have referred 4 people, and using those 4 people I have earned 60,000 tokens within a week. So that's how I have earned like almost 800 USD within a week. So it is very simple. So all you have to do is go to the description below, and use the link given there and sign up on the student coin website, and then don't forget to put in the bonus code. You can also get this bonus code on in the description only, and then sign up on this student coin website and then buy some coins. And once you have successfully bought the coins, so you can come here and generate your own referral link. Using when you generate this referral link, you can select which option you want to choose, and then you can share and start earning. As you can see, this token is already have some very good partners and also has listed in few cryptocurrency exchange as well as providers, information providers. So these are the four exchanges where this student coin token has been already listed, and it has also been featured in the Yahoo Finance and Yahoo News. So the coin looks very promising and the earning method is very high. As you can see, there are a lot of members earning a whole lot of amount of money in very short period of time. So I have currently earned, my current estimated value is 855 USD, out of which 50 around 50 55 USD is what I had bought, and the rest is I have earned through referral program. So now I will show you how you can also earn through this referral program, and you can also sign up and buy few coins and then wait for the coins to make money, make more money for you. So once you click on this link given in the description, you will get this page where you will be asked to create an account using your email ID and password. So put in your email address and then create your new password, and then in the bonus code section you simply have to put this bonus code, where you can this bonus code you can get from my profile, or mostly if you click the link you will already see a bonus code field here. So just accept this terms and conditions, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will get a 2FA code, so which you will receive in your email address. So you need to verify your email address. So just put in those 2FA code from your email address on this, and then your account will be verified and created for you. So once this account is logged in and created, you have to come on this payment page and then select Coinbase as a payment method. So you don't have to log in using your Coinbase account. We will just using this payment method. So all we have to do is just pay using any cryptocurrency, and we don't have to log in use our Coinbase account. So for example purpose, I am going to use this one of the package here, which is 20,000 student coin, which is around 256 USD now. So once clicked on it, it will take you to a new page where you need to fill in your email address and your name. So you have to use your same email address using which you have created your student coin account, and then fill in your name and then click to continue to payment. So once you have entered your details and clicked on continue to payment, you will be redirected to this Coinbase payment page, where you will be able to see number of cryptocurrency payment options. So after entering details, you will see this page where you will see your order summary, total amount you are paying, and you can also see there is an option with to pay with Coinbase and or select a cryptocurrency. So we will not be paying with Coinbase. We will select a cryptocurrency and then use our preferred choice of cryptocurrency, and then we can send it from our wallet or any of our exchange if we have any balance in our exchange. So like I had used Litecoin because first I was trying to use Ethereum, but then Ethereum the cost of Ethereum was very high. It was taking around $11 to $12 of gas fee, but using Litecoin method, I had to pay only like point like around 50 cents only in the gas fee, so I saved a lot of money in there. So you can see this, the amount is here and this Litecoin address is here. So simply copy this Litecoin address and the amount and then paste it into your exchange or your wallet payment address in the withdraw section, and then you can make the payment. And then it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Within that 10 to 15 minutes you will get the confirmation right from here, and you will receive your STC token in your student coin account. And then you can simply wait and enjoy. And then the next thing you would like to do is go and create your referral link, and then you can also start referring people and start making money through your referral account. So usually this will take around 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that, and you will also get a confirmation right on this page. So that's it, friend. So thank you for watching this video. So if you have any questions or any comments or doubts, you can simply put in the comments and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys.